guys, I'm out here at Lake Valley Golf Club in Longmont, and these customers are replacing their roof because they're getting an awesome new solar system. So it's important to have a great functioning roof when you get solar on, because it's really expensive once you get those panels on there to take them off. So it's labor intensive, it's not easy once you have those big panels on there to take it off the roofing system. So if you have a great roof underneath it, you're not gonna have to do that. So we did put impact resistant shingles on here, and if there happens to be a small hailstorm, they're gonna make it out okay and not have to replace their roof, which would cause the panels to come off as well. So if you're thinking about going solar and you don't know who to contact, we can put you in contact with some great trustworthy people so you can get set up with solar and make sure you've got an awesome roof to go along with it.